Assistant Structural Engineer at WINFra Technical Consultants. Today we are going to discuss on how to study architectural drawing, and based on the architectural drawing, how to model and design various sections in ETABS. Through the sessions, we will understand how to model members as per the architectural drawing, and then apply loads as per the architectural drawing requirements, and then design the structures, and then interpret the values for our engineering judgment. Thank you.
So first we will let me first show the CAD drawing now. So after that we will discuss regarding this. So this will be the building that we are going to work on right now. So this was a steel building. Today we will model. There are 3 levels here. So first floor we will model completely as concrete building, and then the second and third floor we will model it as steel building. Okay, so yes, so yeah, so here this is we are designing this as per our Indian standard code. So first we will go to new model. In the new model, in the new model it asks for model initialization. So here you have to select which code you want to use, what's a material, what's the default material, which code should you use for design. So here I will use display units in SI units. Here you can change this anytime. Right now we will give metric SI units. Okay, let's give it as US customary. Then region for default materials, I'm giving India. Then steel section database, I'll give Indian. So automatically it will change the steel codes and then concrete code. Click OK. Now it will ask for grid lines. So basically what it means is, see, if you are modeling a building in ETABS, unlike Stat Pro, where you give the node points and then translate it, here if you give the grid lines, according to that you can model the building. So grid line, it asks for grid lines. So here in this building there are 11 grid lines, horizontal grid lines, and then 4 vertical grid lines. So these are the grid lines. What they mean as grid lines is these vertical grid lines and then horizontal grid lines. So let's take the dimensions first. We'll take the dimensions. Yeah. So okay, it's given here. Yeah. So the A to B. So there are, we can give custom grid spacing here. So we'll give custom grid spacing and go to edit grid data.
Can you see any grid now?
We can use it.
Just that one.
According to that, it will be easy. Here, since we gave the give every details in feet, I mean our units in feet, it asks for inputs in feet. So I'll give everything in feet. 11 feet, 7 inch. Okay.
Yeah. 7.
11 inch. Okay. So grid day here. So here you can see X grid data. So how you want to space this grids, accordingly you have to provide here. So A grid will be at 0 location, X coordinate, and B will be from at around 11.11 feet from A. So we'll give that 11 feet. Then second, B to C will be 4 feet. So that will be 4. B to D will be 11 feet again. So you'll be like that. Yeah. You can see at this one, it's been updated. It will be 15 here. Sorry. Yeah, we have to add. You can also give it this way also. You can give in this way also. 2 ways you can give, either as coordinates or as spacing. Here 0 then B will be 11, then C will be 11 plus 4, 15. Then we'll add one more, 15 plus 4, 11, 26. Yeah, so this will be the grid. This will be the horizontal grid. Now the vertical grid will be, we'll start from here itself. 99 inch, feet. So we will create the grid line as per the drawing. So here grid 1 starts from the top, so that will be 99. So we'll give 99 feet here. Now after that, this will be 99 minus 9 will be 90 feet. This will be 81. This will be 72, and this will be 64 or 63, and this will be 54. All 9 inches. So this will be 45, 30, 36, 27, 18, and then 9, 11. Okay, sorry. Yeah.
9.
It's correct. Yeah, so we'll hit OK, and then here you have to give the number of stories. So as per the model, as per the drawing, there are 3 stories, each of 9 feet. Two of them 9 feet, 10 feet, and one 9 feet. So we will give 3 stories. Then we go to custom story data. We'll go to edit story data. Here what we usually do is, usually we model we give the base as the founding depth of the building. That will be the foundation depth, and from there you consider the ground level, then first floor, second floor, according to that. So first we will consider base. So that will be the founding depth. So then next one will be, you can edit these names also. Story 1, story 2, you can edit these names. My ground level will be, let's consider the foundation depth as, let's consider the foundation depth as 2 meter. So from basement to ground floor will be 2 meters. Then next will be first floor. This will be, no, 2, sorry. That will be 2. That will be 60.
It's to ground is 2. Ground
It should be feet. 6 meters. Yeah, so it's in feet. So let's consider this founding depth to ground level as 6.3 feet. Then first floor, ground floor to first floor will be 10 feet. First floor to second floor will be 10 feet again. Now second floor to roof will be 9 feet. So I'll add one more flow. We just right click on this location, then go to add story, keep existing story, then give story height as 9, number of floors added, only one, insert above second floor. I want it to be above the second floor, and from existing these, it's okay. You can leave it like this itself. Yeah, so we'll rename this as roof and then give 9 meters. So we'll hit OK. Okay. Now you can see the grid lines are all set here. So this will be our framework. Using this, we will model the entire building, and then accordingly we will give all the details, everything. So there are a lot of tools available in this location. So if you see here, this is refresh, like to refresh the window, then this will be lock, unlock model. So when you design or when you do analysis, the ETABS, it will log the model. So once you finish analysis, it will not let you do any changes in the model unless you unlock the model. It will not let you do any changes in the model. So this is for that. Then this button is to run analysis. Here, if you click after finishing all the modeling and loading part, if you click here, it will start running the analysis. Then after that, you can go ahead with, like, you can check the bending moment, deflection, all those things here. So all these are like zooming, zoom out. This is pan. Click here, you can pan here. Then this will be 3D set view. So here, if you click here, you can go to the 3D model view of the building. Then plan, if you want to see specifically the plan of the building, like let's say if I want to see the first floor plan, then you can click, go to this plan here, and then click first floor and then hit apply, and you can go to the plan itself. And if you want to see the elevation, then you can go to this icon, then press here. If you want to see, let's say if I want to see only the AA elevation, we can click here and it will show all the details in this way. So these are all viewing areas. So let's say if I go to a plan, and then let's say I want to only see that plan in 3D view. Let's say I model everything here and I want to see only this floor in 3D view. So what you can do is you can select this one, perspective toggle, and it will show in this manner. So you'll be able to see everything in this floor only, first floor only. You can see here 3D view of first floor. Now I'll explain this later. Once I start modeling, I will explain it. Okay. Now there are other tools here also. Here you can see there are some tools. We'll first go through all. First, we will discuss about this unit setup. So, in case if you accidentally change the unit, if you didn't update the units, what you can do is you can go to the left, right side corner and then update it here. If you want to say change everything into metric system, it will automatically convert everything in metric system, and then you can start working on it. So there are a lot of other parts also here. I will explain it later. Hope you understand the sessions. If you have any comments, please let us know through the comment sections. Thank you.